Once you get logged in, you should land right on what's called the Launchpad. This is like a little shortcut to getting you started. It will have everything that you need to connect as links here. This is a testing account, and I have yet to connect my Facebook account. So I'm going to walk you through how to do this. The process will be the same for every single one of these. So we're just going to go ahead and hit connect. And it's telling me I've previously logged in to Lead Connect with Facebook. Would I like to continue? Yes. You will probably get a login screen here. And then because I have more than one Facebook page, and this does connect only to pages, it does not connect to groups, and it does not connect to personal profiles. I want to select the page, and I've got one of these two. These are actually already associated with a different install of GoHighLevel. So I'm just going to pick one and then click Done. And that is how you use the Launchpad. Now, some of these things you may not use. So like the web chat, I have my web chat connected, but it's not showing here. And that is because I have it on my WordPress website, not in a GoHighLevel website. So if your website's in GoHighLevel, it will show here when you connect it. You can integrate WhatsApp, Stripe. I don't use Stripe, so that's always going to be a no-go for me. And there's just all these other options down here. So this is your Launchpad. And the next video, we are going to cover how to actually find these within the settings and the integrations. I'll see you in the next video.